In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your VPN server address. For this tutorial, we'll be using NordVPN, one of the fastest and most secure VPN services available. You can follow along using the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. First, let's quickly understand what a VPN server address is, sometimes called a server hostname. It's the specific location of a VPN server. This address can be an IP or a domain name, and it's especially useful when setting up manual connections or configuring advanced VPN settings. For instance, a NordVPN server hostname might look something like us8360.nordvpn.com. Knowing the server address gives you more control over your connection and ensures you're connecting to the exact server you want. To find the best server for your connection, log into your Nord account and click on NordVPN. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and select Set up NordVPN manually. From there, go to the Server Recommendation tab. NordVPN will automatically suggest the fastest server based on your location, helping you get a stable and reliable connection instantly. If you want to customize your connection further, click on Advanced Filters. This allows you to select the server type and security protocol based on what you need, whether that's faster speeds, extra privacy, or bypassing restrictions in certain regions. If you prefer connecting to a specific server, under Set up NordVPN manually, select Open VPN configuration files. You can search for the server you want using the search bar or scroll through the list of servers. Once you find the right one, download either the UDP or TCP configuration file, depending on your preference. When connecting manually using OpenVPN or IKEv2, you'll need your NordVPN username and password, which you can find in the Service Credentials tab of your account. After that, the hostname, like us8360.nordvpn.com, will act as the server address for your VPN connection, letting you connect securely and privately. And that's all there is to it. Finding your VPN server address lets you manually configure your VPN, select specific locations for streaming or gaming, and maintain a fast, secure connection at all times. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN today at an amazing price.